What's up traders, welcome back to Forex Life. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at a scalping strategy that is going to help you guys scalp the market and get maximum profit. If this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I do drop a new video. But let's not waste time guys, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is a scalping strategy. It works on all boom and crash pairs. You are going to be very profitable with the strategy if you follow the rules. Remember, with all strategies that I post, the trend is always your friend. You can go and watch the video that I pinned here at the top, which are the best time frames to mark up zones and to analyze the charts on boom and crash to find the trend direction of the market. Okay, there's another video I've recently posted about market structure, so go ahead and check those videos out guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and load the indicators. Okay, so the first indicator that we're going to load, if you don't know how to load any indicators, you see this little F icon over here at the top. Just go ahead and tap on that F icon. You're going to click on main chart, so the F plus over here. I'm going to click that F plus, and our first indicator that we will be loading onto our charts would be a moving average. Okay, so over here we see moving average. We just go ahead and we tap on that moving average, and these are the settings that I want you guys to go ahead and place onto your charts. You can either take a screenshot when I'm done inputting the settings, or just pause the video and go ahead and input these settings. Okay, so the period that we're going to use for the strategy is period 25. Shift is 0. Our method will be linear weight. Okay, and we're going to apply this to weighted close. Okay, so we just tap on weighted close. Now you can choose any color of your choice. I'm going to go with a nice blue over here, and I'm going to click on done. So once I click on done at the top right hand corner, it will automatically appear on my chart. So you guys can see this blue line over here. This is my moving average, okay, the one that we've just loaded. So we're going to go ahead and load a second moving average. So we're going to click on this F icon again over there, okay, and we're going to click on main chart again, the F plus on our right hand side. So we click F plus and we're going to click on moving average again. So this moving average, our period over here will be 80, which is 80. We're going to leave the shift 0. We're going to leave the method linear weight and apply to weighted close. We're going to leave all the settings the same. We're just going to change the period to 80. Okay, the style, you can go ahead and change it up a bit. I think I'll make this one a red color. Okay, and then we're going to click on done. So once we are done with that, we go back to our main chart and we will see the two moving averages on our chart. So we see the blue moving average and you see the red moving average. If you want the lines a bit thicker, you can always just go ahead and change the pixel. You can make it 4 pixels and your lines will be a bit thicker. Okay, I think I'm going to change mine to 4 pixels. It's easier to see on the chart, but you can choose any color of your choice. Okay, the next indicator we're going to load, we're going to click on the F icon over here once again, and we're going to click on the F plus. Okay, and this indicator that we will be loading is called the Bollinger Band. So right over here, the second indicator on your list, you go ahead and you tap that. Now the settings are as follows. We're going to put in period. We're going to put in 500. Our shift, we are going to make 0, which is over here, and our deviation, let's change this. Our deviation, we're going to make 1.651. So we have period 5, deviation 1.651. We have shift 0 and apply to close. So you can choose any color of your choice. I'm going to go with let's make it black. I'll make it black on my charts. And now we can see the Bollinger Band. So these black lines over here, this is what we call the Bollinger Bands, the last indicator that we've just loaded on the chart. Now, looking at the chart, you can see that it's self-explanatory. Okay, this is a very, very good strategy. If you follow the rules of the strategy, you'll go ahead and make money. So the first thing that we're going to focus on is the zoom level. Okay, because a lot of you always ask me which zoom level should I use. Don't skip to the end of the video. You are not going to find the zoom level. You guys need to watch the video step by step in order to understand the strategy and make sure you don't miss out any important information that I'm giving about the strategy. So the zoom level that we will be using for this strategy will be our lowest zoom level. Okay, this is our lowest zoom level. We're not going to zoom into level 2, 3, 4. It's just the lowest zoom level. And now we're going to get into the key factors on how to scalp the market with the strategy. It's very, very simple. But before we go ahead and do that, go ahead and just smash that like button over there, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I do drop another amazing strategy. And also comment down below what type of videos you guys like to watch on my channel. Okay, so let's get back to it. So in order for you to take a buy on Crash 500, remember I said this works on all boom and crash pairs. But the key factors, the rules for the strategy, you see this blue moving average over here, it needs to cross above the red moving average. Okay, so once we see this crossover happens, now you can use this on a small account and you can use it on a big account. So if you have a small account of $10, you're going to scalp only 4 to 5 candles. Okay, you're going to scalp 4 to 5 candles. If you have a bigger account, $30, $40, $50, you're going to hold till take profit. That's only if you want to. It's not compulsory. It's all about your risk, depending on the risk and the lot sizes that you are using. So if you have a small account and you enter once this crossover happens, the blue crosses above the red, you are going to take 5 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are out of the market. If you have a bigger account, your take profit level, once the crossover happens on crash we are buying, your take profit level will be the Bollinger Band at the top, the first Bollinger Band that you see. So you will scalp all of these candles and you will close. Okay, you're not going to hold the trade, you are going to close the trade once it reaches the Bollinger Band at the top. So we can see over here as well, we had a crossover. The blue crossed above the red. You go in, you take your 5 candles if you have a small account and you're out of the market. If you have a bigger account, you hold till take profit and it hit take profit and you close the trade. Okay, you go ahead and you close the trade. We have another example here. The crossover happened. The blue crossed above the red. You take your 5 candles if you have a small account. If you have a bigger account, you hold till the Bollinger Band. Okay, and the take profit was smashed. You always hold it till the Bollinger Band that is first in sight. So the first Bollinger Band that you see, the closest one on your screen to price, that is your take profit level. So over here we had a crossover again. The blue crossed above the red. 5 candles for small accounts. And if you have a bigger account, the Bollinger Band over there and take profit was hit. Okay, so this is on Crash 500. We can go ahead and we can just go and check the other pairs as well. So let's do Boom 1000 for example. Remember, with Boom 1000, all your Boom pairs, you are going to be selling. Okay, so here we have an example of where the market just hit the take profit on Boom 1000. So the crossover with Boom, the blue moving average needs to cross below the red moving average. Okay, you take your 5 candles, you are out. If you have a bigger account, you hold till the first Bollinger Band and you take your profits. So over here we can see as well, the blue crossed below the red You take your 5 candles, you are out of the market. Bigger accounts, you hold till the first Bollinger Band and you take your profits. Okay? Don't let greed consume you when trading. You take your profits and you go. Over here, it crossed over. Take profit was hit. Crossed over, but we are at the Bollinger Band, so we're not going to take that trade. Okay? We're not going to take that trade. Over here we have crossover, your 5 candles, bigger account, all the way to the Bollinger Band. You take your profits and you close. You can also use hack lots. Okay, if you have a small account and you're scared of scalping, you can use hack lots, which enables you to reduce your lot size. I will go ahead and pin the video in the top right hand corner. You can click on that video over there and it will show you how to use a hack lot. Okay, so that is on boom. It works on all pairs. So let's see, crash 300. Okay, we can see a crossover is about to happen. If no spike happens over here now, we will see a crossover happening. Once the blue crosses above the red over here, we can then go ahead and take a buy entry. Okay, you take your buy and 5 candles, you're out of the market, take profit at this Bollinger Band. Over here, we have a buy opportunity there. 5 candles out, take profit at the Bollinger Band. We have a crossover over here. The blue crossed above the red. Your 5 candles close. Hold take profit and take profit was reached. We can check on boom 300 as well. Same concept applies. So we're looking for sells. Over here we have a crossover. And that's our first Bollinger Band. We take our profits over there. We have a crossover, 5 candles closed, take profit 1, got smashed. Same over here, we have our crossover and the take profit was smashed. So this is a fairly easy strategy to use. You can make lots of money with the strategy. Remember, you can use the hack lots as well. Like I said, it will be pinned on the top right of the video. You can click on that to go and see how to reduce your lot sizes. Just manage your risk when trading. Always manage your risk. Don't be greedy and don't overtrade or revenge trade. If you guys do not have an account with Deriv, go ahead and click on the link in my description. You can go ahead and open up your own account. You can open up a demo account. Demo accounts are great, guys. Don't be ashamed of using a demo account. Use your demo account to practice till you perfect your skill, and then you can move on to a real account and real money, because you shouldn't be trading with real money if you can't afford to lose it. Okay, so that's why the demo is there for you. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoy the strategy. Don't forget, give a thumbs up on the video, like and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video.